A new day begins, and with it, the finest chicken in the village.
Look at the texture here. This is exactly what we need for the feast.
We must wash the chicken thoroughly in the fresh spring water before we season it for the oven.
We must clean it thoroughly before it goes into the clay pot. We must ensure the chicken is perfectly clean before we add the spices. This vigorous rinse removes all impurities.
With the spices ready, the chicken is now transferred to the polished bowl, a crucial step before it meets the heat of the clay oven.
The freshest spices and herbs from the market, sir.
Very good, let us begin.
The secret to the village stew begins with fresh garlic and ginger, meticulously ground by hand and scraped into the earthen bowl.
The chili and the turmeric give us the color, but the cumin, this is the soul of the dish.
The secret to the flavor is using only the freshest, thickest yogurt.
The fresh lemon is essential. It really brings out the flavor, and then we add the fresh herbs for the aroma. You must work the spices deep into the meat, really get the flavor everywhere.
The secret is in the first spark. You must respect the fire. Let it breathe. We start by heating the giant iron pot over the embers. Then we slowly add the golden oil.
The moment the onions hit the hot oil, they release their sweetness, which we draw out by stirring continuously.
You must stir constantly from the bottom, otherwise the sugar will burn. Look at this color now, perfect amber.
We turn the chicken slowly, making sure the marinade caramelizes evenly on all sides. This is how you lock in the flavor.
The chef now introduces the freshly chopped tomatoes, searing them in the bubbling oil to release their vibrant flavor and create that wonderful aroma.
We add the cumin and the biryani spices now, stirring slowly to release the aroma. Look at how thick the gravy is.
Bring the rice quickly now, the water is ready.
We cover the chicken completely, making sure the rice is spread evenly across the pot. The saffron gives it that beautiful golden color, and the fried onions add the crunch. The dough must be pressed firmly all around the lid. This ensures no steam escapes during the dum cooking process.
Alhamdulillah, mashallah. It is perfect.
The ultimate reward for the chef's labor.
The flavor is incredible.